Idrivesafety has Australia's only comprehensive research and evidence-backed learner-driver education system. This is a solution-based system, equipping teens with a safe process for every road user interaction. Yes, every interaction is covered. Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system fully supports parents in the teen learning journey. An accredited Idrivesafety coach will deliver the driving lessons as a graduated education system over 30 sessions. The first 5 sets up the foundations of driving and creating an active participant environment. Modules 3, 4 car controls and steering options. Modules 5, 51 and 52, road rules. Modules 6, 7, communication and speed choices. Modules 9, 11 and 20, real reverse parking, reversing and low-speed manoeuvres. Modules 12, 25, position on road and continuous partial assessment. Idrivesafety copyright, structured training, curriculum and e-learning system is a lifesaver, literally. A safe, learnable process for each road user interaction is the foundation of a safe driver. Anxiety, risk-taking are a learning style, not a disabler. You need to be competent, not confident, to be a safe driver. Your personal coach will deliver the curriculum as a structured program in a graduated education system. Distractions are a manageable process covered in Module 25. Learning to continuously partially assess is a key to drive safety. Developing patience so you don't become a patient. Idrivesafety coach's delivery methodology is tailored to each learning style. 5-star drivers in a 1-star car on a 1-star road are safer than 1-star drivers in a 5-star car on a 5-star road. You don't know what you don't know. Post-license GLS is guaranteeing teen risk. It's near impossible to learn what you were never taught. The instruction and testing systems have shown in global research to be a crash causation for teen drivers, telling not teaching. Idrivesafety has a solution, evidence and research backed. The solution is simply effective education. Idrivesafety are the only Australian road safety organisation with a pedagogically aligned curriculum delivered by highly educated driving coaches. The outcomes are literally life-changing. Learning to drive with Idrivesafety is a fully managed journey. Everyone thinks everyone else learns faster than them. The truth is, we all take about the same time when the delivery methodology and curriculum are effective. With your support and Idrivesafety, 5-star driver education system, your teenager will drive safety even when others don't.